Hi there, I'm Judy. Welcome to this week's ESOL work from the Refugee and Migrant Centre. This week I'm going to give you some work that is hard. It's going to be all about words that mean the same as each other. I'll give you some examples and then I'm going to ask you to do some work. So, if I say something is big, I could use a different word. I could say it is large, or I could say it is huge, or I could say it is enormous. So large, huge and enormous mean the same as big. Another example. If I say something is loud, if I shout, it's loud, I can use the word noisy. Noisy means the same as loud. It's very loud, it's very noisy. Or I could use the word deafening. It's deafening. So loud, noisy and deafening mean the same. Another example. Pretty. Pretty means the same as beautiful. And another word we can use is attractive. So pretty, beautiful, attractive all mean more or less the same. Another example, if something is dirty, we can say it is dirty, or we can say it is soiled, or we can say it is mucky. So dirty, soiled and mucky all mean the same thing. And now some adverbs. If I say I ran quickly, I can also use the word I ran fast. Or I can use the word I ran rapidly. So quickly, fast and rapidly all mean the same thing. And the last example I'm going to give is another word that I've used earlier, but I told you it as an adjective before. Now I'm going to give it to you as an adverb. Noisily. The adjective was noisy. The adverb is noisily. So noisily we can use loudly, or we can use deafeningly. So those words, noisily, loudly and deafeningly, all mean the same thing. So there are some examples. Perhaps you can think of some others. Now I'm going to give you a piece of work which is really hard, and I would really like you to try to do this. You may need to have a dictionary. You may need to look at a dictionary to look up some of the words. That will help you with your vocabulary. And I'm going to read to you something about the American election. And there are some words in what I'm going to read to you which I have chosen because I want you to find a word that means the same thing but is different. So I will help you to start with. I've written all the words up here. So these are the words that I'm going to read in the story, in the piece about the election. And these are the words that can mean the same thing, but you have to find which of these words mean the same as those words. And they are quite hard words. So here we are. I will read it to you and point to the words, and then I'll read it to you again. Okay. The American election 2020. On the 3rd of November 2020, the people of the United States of America held an election. So there's the word. Now you have to find a word from down here that means the same as election. Now I'm going to help you with this one because it is hard, and I'll show you what you've got to do. So the word that means the same as election is poll. Poll and election mean more or less the same thing. Okay, so that's the only one I'm going to help you with, but now you know what you've got to do. So I'll read it again. On the 3rd of November 2020, the people of the United States of America held an election. This was to choose the new president. The two candidates were Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Donald Trump is the existing president. He is a Republican. He was elected in 2016. Joe Biden is a Democrat. Both Donald Trump and Joe Biden are old men. So all those words that I've pointed to, you find the word that means the same from down here. Donald Trump and Joe Biden dislike each other. Republican supporters wanted Trump to be the winner. And Democrat supporters wanted Biden to be the winner. Now the election is finished. Donald Trump is disputing the result. He says that the votes were not counted properly. He is a very angry man. Although Joe Biden won more states than him, he will not say that Biden is the winner and will be the the next president. There. You've got to find which of these words mean the same as those words from this piece about the American election. Now I'm going to read it to you again so you can listen and understand it. There's the words. The American election 2020. On the 3rd of November 2020, the people of the United States of America held an election. This was to choose the new president. The two candidates were Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Donald Trump is the existing president. He is a Republican. He was elected in 2016. Joe Biden is a Democrat. Both Donald Trump and Joe Biden are old men. Donald Trump and Joe Biden dislike each other. Republican supporters wanted Trump to be the winner, and Democrat supporters wanted Biden to be the winner. Now the election is finished. Donald Trump is disputing the result. He says that the votes were not counted properly. He is a very angry man. Although Biden won more states than him, he will not say that Biden is the winner and will be the next president. I hope you can do that. You can write down your answers, saying which of these words mean the same, with the numbers and the letters, and then send them to me. You must send them to me so I can mark them. You're not doing that. And here is where you've got to send them. This is the email, asylumcentre.org.uk, or you can text them or Viber or WhatsApp them to 07810 408 570. Please do that work. Send it to me so I can help you. Okay? I hope you'll join me again for another video on ESOL from RMC. But for now, bye.